Hi viewers, welcome to Damilola's Kitchen. On today's episode, we'll be making banana and coconut drinks. Let's get started. First, this is the coconut. See, I've removed it. You can buy it this way at the store with the shell and everything, and you will remove it. This is it. I've removed it. You will need vanilla extract in this bag. See, this is it in this bag. But if you don't have, you can use this one. This vanilla extract. This one. There's nothing in there, but this kind you can use this type. We will need bananas. Bunch of bananas. We will need sieve to sieve the coconut out of it, to squeeze the juice out of the coconut. We will need this bag, this cloth bag. See, this is it. We will need it. And we will need bowl. We will need blender to blend it together, and we will need water to blend this together. Now let's get cooking. First, we are going to blend the coconut. Blend everything together. You add water to the thing. You add water to the blender. You blend it until it's smooth, like this. So now it's finished blending. Now we need to strain it. Strain it. You see the juice coming out of it. If you want to blend it one more time, you can do it. Now I'll be peeling my banana. See, I've already peeled it. This is it. It remains one. Then we will blend it. Just blend it little by little. Let's check it. You see? This is it. It smells so fabulous. Now, I'll blend it one more time so that I can be sure that it's blended. But if you want your own to be chunky, you can do it chunky. That's all. Then I will pour it in my bowl and I will continue blending the rest. Now, I want to say something. You can use canned coconut milk. If you don't have fresh where you live, you can use canned one. That it will make the difference. But if you don't have the fresh, you can use the can. But the fresh will be better than the can. That's my own opinion. Now this is my vanilla. This is my vanilla. This is it. You have to cut it and check it. Let me please put it in my hand first. You see it's white. It's white inside. This is it. Then you pour it in. Everything is like just one packet and then mix. If you think that it's not enough, you can use one that you think is enough for your own liking. Then stir it, leave it for a few minutes, and then you pour it. Done. Now this is it. I've leave it for a few minutes. But if you like sugar, you can add sugar to it. But for me, I will not be adding sugar. I will need a little bit of salt so that I can combine everything together. So I will add it now. The salt, you see, I'm not using spoon. You can use your hand, just a little bit. See? Just add it to it. Then stir it together. Now I'm going to pour it in this big bottle so that you'll be drinking it a little by little until it's done, because it's very, very delicious and tasty. I like to tell you that before adding your sugar, I will encourage you to taste it first. If you taste it, you see that it's too sweet for your liking, don't add sugar. But the salt is important, to add the salt to it. And please like, comment, share, turn on the notification, and tell everybody you know about Madam Lola Olaleye YouTube channel. Please tell them, let them know Madam Lola Olaleye's kitchen. Let them know about it. I would like to taste it now. Let's taste. Taste time. See? This is it. I have to taste it. Delicious, creamy. It tastes all the components in it. It tastes very well. It's delicious. It's not too sweet, not too salty. It's just delicious. And please turn on the notification bell on when you subscribe. You will see the notification bell beside it. Turn it on so you can see all of my videos. And please stay blessed. Bye.